Today, I'm gonna see if I can actually style my hair in 2 minutes. Stop! 2 minutes is way too long. Let's go 60 seconds. Start the clock. All right, so first up, use spritzes of the sea salt spray to add texture and volume. And then, I'm gonna be actually using the Soft Putty. All right, I'm gonna link to everything down below. The Soft Putty is like old putty, except it's actually softer and easier to emulsify and use. All right, I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm gonna dry my hair. All right, the time right now is 57 seconds, and then what I'm gonna be using is the texture powder, right? A few little sprinkles. The texture powder is amazing. It's gonna add additional hold, a little volume, and that's it. I'm done. How long? Boom, right there, a minute. A minute and 10 seconds to style my hair. And the reason is because, well, I'm quick and I'm using great products. If you want to check out any of the products, guys, that I mentioned or showed, I'm gonna link to everything down below. Bottom line is the sea salt spray is a must for every guy to have texture and volume, not to mention not have to use as much product. And then the product I use is the Soft Putty. It is creamy, it is rich, it is easy to apply, easy to emulsify. It's gonna be a high hold, low shine product. And then I finished it off with the texture powder. Guys, the texture powder is my new obsession. I love this product, all right? You can use it in dry hair, right? Or you can use it as kind of like a cocktail with another product, but seriously, you just sprinkle a little bit in, right? You work it in, and you're gonna get so much texture and weightless volume. It doesn't add greasiness or oiliness. It is an absolute must try for every stylish dude that wants to have incredible hair. Guys, I'm gonna link to everything down below. There's also a limited time discount code if you wanna check out any of the products and have amazing hair.